Welcome to Vuforia Spatial Toolbox Number and Text Tools. Today we're going to go over the number, value, and text tools that we've added to the Spatial Toolbox and what they can be used for. So first, this blue square that appears here is our image target. If you don't know what that is, you can go check out our video on image targets to get an understanding of why that's here. To use these tools, we're going to go into the pocket. First, we're going to grab the value tool. So this allows us to display a number, and so we're going to add that into our space. And then next we're going to go back into the pocket and we're going to grab our number tool. So our number tool allows us to input any number, and then we can send that number to another tool. So we're going to drag this number tool into our space, I'm going to size it down, and then if we go into our programming tab, you can see that we have values for both of these, and we're going to drag from the number tool into the value tool. And so this will send the data from the number tool over to the value tool. So you can see if we tap on our number tool, we can type in a number. So here we type in 250, and you can see it's displayed on the value tool. Both the number and the value tools are at a maximum number of 5,000. So you can't express any numbers greater than 5,000. And similarly, you can express negative numbers. But again, both tools have a minimum number of negative 5,000, which both of them can express. So you can't go any lower than negative 5,000 or any higher than positive 5,000. To display text, we're going to use the text tool. So if we scroll down in the pocket, we can grab this text tool down here. Then we're going to drag it into our space. And in order to get something that outputs text, we're going to take advantage of our Airtable tool. So we're going to go into the pocket and grab that tool as well. So if you haven't seen our Airtable video already, go ahead and check that out. We're going to use the Airtable. We're going to enter the API key, enter the base ID, and the variable of the data that we're going to be using. And then we're going to go into the programming tab, and we're going to connect the Airtable tool up to our text tool. And so now we will start receiving text information. So you can see the first thing that the text tool changes to is hello world. We can then go into Airtable and change the value of our text tool. And so now if we go into Airtable, we can type something else in. So this time we're going to type in the word testing. And as you can see, it will show up on the text tool in here as well. And so we can have a bunch of different examples of different types of text you can send. We can send the word printing in this example. And then we can also send longer strings of text. So right now the text tool can actually handle 150 characters at once. So we have printing out text from Airtable as a full sentence that we can display within the Spatial Toolbox.